assessment of adherent thorax and when we arrange the lab with the anterior next, we will inspect the thorax for anterior bones and muscles, as well as the symmetry of lung expansion and the accessory muscles to provide next, we will palpate the posterior thorax and assess for tactile values. We're not send it up. Next, we're going to assess the posterior and the lateral. Next, we will pass over the anterior thorax of our next is we're going to cultivate the lobes, ventricles, palmar surface. Next, we will check the temperature of the lungs and anterior thorax, and we will ask our patient to prevent the breath as caution, application applications of exhale and say will assess our patient in replacing the patient area. Next is we're going to assess the thoracic expansion and expansion using the root job. Then we will perform the hygiene and the average the binding force of our assessment. Then see how next week we lost
full sa nang ikaw. Ano problema? Tinatambad ko mo.
Abang, ako na dito.
Abang.
Ang bugatan?
We're going to assist the anterior thorax. So now we're going to discuss the anterior thorax. And the TA
Bali, isa na ka. Number 1.
Tapos na.